Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a landing page using AI tool in Framer. First, we create a new page, a new document by clicking on new button. And here on the left side, let's click on Framer AI. As an example, let's create a landing for a coffee shop. A landing page for a coffee shop, and let's ask AI to include a subscribe button, a testimonial section, and some other features. Let's see how it works. When you're done with writing, click Start, and it starts generating your page. And the great thing about this AI generated page is that it saves you a lot of time. And all these elements, all these sections are customizable. On the right side, you can change the color scheme for the whole project. You can change the display font as well, and when you click on the display font, it changes, the system changes it everywhere. All headlines will be changed. The same thing for text font. If you change it on the right side panel, it will be applied to the whole project. To change a color scheme of a particular section, you just need to, let me zoom in. You just need to select the section and click on this magic button on the right side with some star dust. To change a logo, if you have a logo, you can just place one. If you don't have a logo, you can just change, let's change the name to Next Door, for example, Next Door Coffee Shop. You can change it here, and it will be automatically placed inside the component. Here as well, in this text, we need to change the name of the coffee shop. Just select the component, double click on the name, or place the input thing and just change the name. As easy as that. To change the picture, look at that. This is just an amazing thing. You just click on this image, and there is a button called Unsplash, and it is a collection of free stock images. So let's change another one. Also, I'm clicking on Unsplash button, and here there is a search component. As you can see, I'm typing coffee. I can choose any of these options. Isn't it amazing? I think this one works in the best way. Let's say I want to change in this component the input on the left side. All I have to do is to select the input section on the right side and change it. Okay, so it has also social media links. And in the end, I can just click on publish button, and it's gonna be online within a couple of seconds. Thank you for watching, guys. Good luck.